Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Today I continue to pick locks from Great Britain, from Paul. Today this new brand L, open lock, open profile, not look something special, not look something, but just look very difficult lock for picking, very difficult, not difficult, very hard. Not difficult, hard. Difficult if I don't understand about what this lock. Here I understand. Nice focus locks and 6 pins, 5 mushrooms, cutting on every place of K pins. That's all, and a very high position of pins from start. That's all, but that's all make very many different difficult situation. So 6 asking no, ask for. I'm just move pin on the side. Now I try to my hook was after I start from here and I enter a pin to the right side, but I need to start left and to change. So I need very not thin, but узкий. Okay? So in the узкий, so we not have this problem. But this very good tool. This is tool of X-Men, and about tool I can to say something not good. No, I not have one to say not good on this hook. This very good, very thin, very strong, and very result, good result give. I don't know, first something not normal. Okay, third, but not nice. All this click off from one pin. This cutting make oh nice full set. Three. I need to pick now just what asking, and this is not 100%. Pin number 2. I not believe. First, second, no. If yes, not now. 4, 5, 6. Really not understand. 5. Once again 5. No, not 4. 3. Yes. 100%. Yes. It was excellent of excellent picking. This picking I put on the channel. I can't. No, I don't have power to pick this lock. I pick him very many time. No, very many times. Hello everybody once again. We after getting process 15 minutes. Okay, it's good. So first what I want to say, first pin and first driver still. After all K-pins not have something special or interesting. Standard pins not have nothing, zero. So mushrooms, standard mushrooms, but or mushrooms or cut in the rotor or all this together make this process very difficult. You see this upstairs? Every pin. So I not think, I sure it's make real problem, and pin not have some cutting on him, but have a little corner. I don't know how it's. Just a moment. Where is my tool? It's little danger, but I can't. Not have choice. I want to see what it will. You see? Yes, nice. So we no, don't move, please. And we now we here. So it's push and enter. Boom, little moving, and first click, not first third, because two clicks, this is clicks of another places, and we need every pin enter to this. So it's first something like fall gates, like faucet, just faucet of this moment. And you need to make 2 rounds, 3, or how, but this make for me now, maybe after 1 week, I pick this lock 1 minute time. I don't know. But I want to say, if today I was, if somebody was call me and say to pick this lock, not this lock, no, yes, this lock, but was say this lock, and that's all. And I just looking on the lock, and what I was think and what I was to meet in this magic story. Boy, it's very, very, very different what I want to think when I I see this lock, and what I meet and how to pick him. I really, it's very, very big thanks for you, to you, Paul, for this lock. This lock, I know this lock will on my table maybe 1-2 months. I make many time something like that, and if it's this profile platform, this profile of locks, English, I don't know, we say English profile for profile like this, from up to down, not perfo, no, not dimple, and not levers, this English profile. I don't know if in Great Britain says English profile, but if yes, so right, we say to English profile. Okay. So thanks for watching. 20 minutes, very many time, very many need to make speed, and so thanks for watching.